So I looked at the menu and I said, I take a coffee.
Jake? No, you don't take coffee in English. You sound like you're stealing it.
The waiter just stared at me for like 5 seconds.
Ha, okay. That's a true story, and it happens to so many of you listening. Welcome to English Podcast with Emma and Jake, the show that helps you speak real English with confidence. I'm Emma.
And I'm Jake. Grab a coffee, relax, and just listen. By the end of this episode, you'll never feel lost in English again.
Today, we're going to a restaurant. You'll learn 10 real phrases for ordering food, fixing a mistake, and paying the bill.
And phrase number 6 is the one you need when you want to leave without any awkward moment. It's coming.
Let's start. Let's act this out. I'll be the waiter. Jake, you're the customer at a nice restaurant.
Perfect, I'm hungry already.
Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. Could I get a glass of water first?
Of course. Still or sparkling?
Still, please. Actually, could I also start with the soup?
Great choice. Our soup today is tomato. Would you like anything else to start?
Do you have a vegetarian appetizer too? My friend is vegetarian.
Yes, we have a vegetable spring roll. It's very popular.
Perfect, I'll have the soup, and could I get the spring roll as well?
Of course. And for your main course?
I'll have the chicken sandwich, please.
Great choice. Does that come with a side? Would you like fries, salad, or soup with that?
Wait, what do you mean by side?
A side is something small next to your main food, like fries or a salad.
Oh, got it. Does this come with fries?
It does. Fries, salad, or soup. You can choose one of those.
I'll have the fries, please.
Perfect. Is the chicken sandwich okay if it's a little spicy?
How spicy is a little?
Just a small kick? Not too strong. Some guests still ask for it mild.
I'll have it mild then, please. I don't love spicy food.
No problem at all. Anything to drink with that?
Could I get an iced tea?
Of course. Anything else?
Actually, one question. I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this contain peanuts?
Let me check for you. No, the chicken sandwich is peanut-free.
That's a relief.
But the sauce on the side salad does contain peanuts. So I'm glad you chose fries.
Good thing I asked.
It's always smart to ask. A lot of people feel shy about it, but restaurants expect these questions every single day.
That makes me feel a lot better.
I'll bring your water and your soup right away.
Thank you so much.
Okay, let's stop there. That's a full natural restaurant order.
I liked that. I sounded pretty confident, right?
You did, except for one word you used earlier before we even started the role play.
Oh no, here it comes.
Don't worry, everyone makes that mistake. Let's fix it together. Okay, let's go back to the phrases from that order, one by one.
Starting with my big mistake, please.
Yes, you said, I take a coffee. In English, we don't use take for food or drinks at a restaurant.
So what should I have said?
Say, I'll have a coffee, please. Or you can say, could I get a coffee, please?
I'll have a coffee, please. Could I get a coffee, please? Got it?
Both are correct. I'll have is simple and direct. Could I get is a little softer and more polite.
Why does I take sound so wrong, though?
In English, take sounds like you're grabbing something with your hands. It's not how we talk about ordering food.
That makes sense now. I've actually heard other learners say this too.
Yes, it's extremely common. Many languages use a word like take for ordering, so people translate it directly.
So if I want dessert later, I say, I'll have the chocolate cake, not I take the chocolate cake.
Exactly right. You're already using it correctly.
Okay, this next one is important. Let's talk about, are you ready to order?
That's the question a waiter or waitress asks you when they want to take your order.
And if I'm not ready yet?
You can say, could you give us a few more minutes? That's polite and completely normal.
Could you give us a few more minutes? I really like that one.
Waiters hear that phrase all day. Nobody will think it's strange.
Good, because I always need extra time to decide.
Next phrase. Does this come with? You use this to ask what a dish includes.
Like when I asked, does this come with fries?
Exactly. You can also ask, does this come with a drink? Or does this come with a dessert?
So it works for anything that might be included with the price.
Right. It's one of the most useful questions on any menu.
I'm going to use that one at every restaurant now.
And our last phrase from this scene is, I'm allergic to, or, does this contain?
This one feels really important. It could be dangerous if I get it wrong.
It is important. If you have any allergy, always say it clearly. I'm allergic to nuts, or I'm allergic to shellfish.
And if I'm not sure what's in a dish,
Ask directly. Does this contain dairy? Or does this contain gluten? Restaurant staff answer this question all the time.
I'm allergic to peanuts. Does this contain peanuts? Got it, got it.
Perfect. You just used all 5 phrases correctly, and you sounded very natural.
5 phrases down, 5 more to go.
Let's move to the harder scene.
Okay, this next scene is stressful. What happens when something goes wrong?
Exactly. Let's act out a problem at the restaurant. This time, I'm the customer, and you're the waiter.
I can do that. Here's your food, ma'am.
Wait, this isn't what I ordered. I ordered the chicken, not the fish.
I'm so sorry about that. Let me fix it right away.
Could you send this back for me, please? I really can't eat fish.
Of course. I'll bring the correct dish in just a few minutes.
Thank you. I appreciate it. And could I get a fresh napkin, too? I dropped mine on the floor.
Of course, right away. I'm sorry for all the trouble tonight.
It's fine. These things happen sometimes.
A few minutes later, here's your chicken and a fresh napkin. Again, I'm very sorry.
No problem at all. Mistakes happen. Thank you for fixing it so quickly.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, this is perfect. Could we get the check, please?
Of course. I'll bring that right over.
Also, do you take cards? I don't have much cash with me.
Yes, we take all major cards. No problem at all.
Great. And one more thing. There are 3 of us at this table. Can we split the bill?
Absolutely. I can split it 3 ways for you.
Perfect. Do you need us to pay separately, or can I give you one card for everything?
One card is easier for me, and I'll split it on my end.
Sounds good. Here you go.
Thank you. Everything is set now. Would you like the check emailed to you as well?
No need, this is fine. Thank you so much. Everything was wonderful, despite the small mix-up.
I'm really glad to hear that. Have a great night.
Okay, let's stop there. That's how you handle a problem calmly and politely.
That felt useful? I think a lot of people are scared to complain in English.
They are. But if you stay calm and polite, restaurant staff almost always want to help you. Let's break down the phrases from that scene, starting with the mistake.
The wrong food problem.
Right. This isn't what I ordered. Simple, direct, and not rude at all.
This isn't what I ordered. That's easy to remember.
You can also say, I think there's been a mistake with my order.
I think there's been a mistake with my order. A little softer?
Next, could you send this back for me? This means you want the kitchen to fix or remove the dish.
Could you send this back for me? Got it.
Now, our open loop phrase from the beginning of the episode. Remember phrase number 6?
Yes, you promised us this one.
Could we get the check, please? This is how you politely ask for your bill in a restaurant.
Could we get the check, please? So simple, but I never knew the right words.
In the UK, people often say the bill instead of the check. Both are correct.
Good to know. What about paying itself?
Do you take cards? This asks if the restaurant accepts credit or debit cards.
Do you take cards? And if there's a group of us?
Can we split the bill? This means everyone pays their own part.
Can we split the bill? I definitely need this one for group dinners.
Here's the part most learners get wrong, so listen to this one twice. It's our grammar focus for today.
I'm ready.
Notice how every polite request today started with could or can.
Instead of just saying I want or give me,
Exactly. Could and can make a request sound polite and friendly, not demanding.
so I take a coffee was doubly wrong. Wrong word and no polite question at all.
Exactly right. Could I get a coffee, please? Fixes both problems at once.
I'm going to remember that forever now.
One more bonus phrase before the quiz. When you order food to take home, a waiter might ask, for here or to go?
For here or to go. That means eat at the restaurant or take the food with you.
Exactly. If you want to eat there, just say, for here. If you want to leave with your food, say, to go.
For here or to go. I'll remember that at every coffee shop now, too.
Simple but useful every single day. Time for our quiz. Answer out loud. It really helps your speaking.
Let's do it.
Question 1. You want a burger. What do you say instead of I want a burger?
Think about it. I'll have a burger, please.
Perfect. Question 2. The food is wrong. What do you say?
This isn't what I ordered.
Exactly right. Question 3. Three of you want to pay together. What do you ask?
Can we split the bill?
Great job. Question 4. You need to check for nuts. What do you ask?
Does this contain nuts?
Perfect. Ready for the harder one?
I think so.
Question 5. You're at a coffee shop and the barista wants to know if you're staying or leaving. What might she ask you?
For here or to go.
Perfect score. You're ready for any restaurant and any coffee shop too. Let's recap your 10 phrases from today. I'll have, and could I get, for ordering.
Are you ready to order? And does this come with?
I'm allergic to, and does this contain, for allergies.
This isn't what I ordered. And could you send this back for me?
Could we get the check, please? Do you take cards? And can we split the bill?
That's a lot of phrases, but they all just make sense now.
And don't forget our bonus phrase, for here or to go.
I won't. I'm using that one this week.
What's one restaurant phrase in English that used to confuse you? Tell us below. We read every comment.
We really do. We answer as many as we can.
Download the free PDF transcript in the description below and practice these phrases anytime.
Next time, we're going shopping, trying on clothes and asking for a different size.
You'll never feel awkward in a fitting room again.
Until then,
Keep listening.
and keep speaking.